The fans are ready, and so are the players.
That means it's time to drop the puck. Hello, everyone. Jim Houston here, along with Craig Simpson. Moved across. Patrick Kane grabs the puck. Kane shoots quickly. The door is shut by Varlamov. Varlamov freezes the puck. McKinnon makes other players look like they're standing still.
And that ability makes him a threat at both ends of the ice.
Zadorov takes control of the puck. Brings it out. Quick pass up. Como with shot. Murphy gets pushed off the puck. Colorado scooped it up. Zadorov dumps it. Chicago grabbed it. Colorado puts its third line out. Moved ahead. Out of their defensive end. Played across. Boma finds the loose puck. Shot! Scores!
There's nothing as lethal as a quick and accurate wrist shot.
Only will be seeing that one in his nightmares. Colorado has not seen things go according to plan so far.
It's early in the game, but yeah, that goal has got to be a cause for concern.
I'm sure their coach will have some words for them over on the bench. McKinnon jumps on the loose puck. Into the attacking zone. Johnson takes control of the puck. Brings it out. Jabinka drops. Berry. Delayed penalty coming up. Yakupov will serve time for hooking.
And we've got a beautiful angle on this replay. Take a look.
There should be no doubt in your mind about the call. Chicago sees their chance with this power play.
And this is as good a chance in this game as they're likely to get.
Leg save.
He was ready for that one.
Duclair with the puck. Blistering shot. Varlamov. Great save. Passed across. Moved back.
Make the change. Change it up.
Osterley takes possession of the puck. Saad. Zadorov scooped it up. Carefoot now has it. Colorado takes control. With a wrist shot. Carefoot scores. It's a shorthanded marker.
Whether you're winning or losing, a shorthanded goal is a huge boost for your team. They were supposed to be on the defensive, but he decided the best defense was a good offense. Great shorthanded goal.
13.
Berry gets laid out. Played back. Saad grabs the puck. Fires hard. Crawford. Great save.
And the shooter comes away empty-handed that time.
Lindholm gets the loose puck. Carefoot takes it. Lindholm has it. Up along the boards. Quick pass up. Shoots the puck.
Change up.
Duclair with it now. Ahead to the neutral zone. Yakupov puts an end to this power play as his penalty is over. Jonathan Taves. Varlamov hangs on for the whistle. Across. Zadorov. Nailed.
He initiated some contact there.
Played up. The Avalanche come in offside. Lindholm scoops up the loose puck over the line. Yakupov gets hold of the puck. Crawford, great save.
He did an excellent job of using his pads to keep the puck out of the net.
The Blackhawks dump the puck in. Yakupov. Chicago scoops it up. Wilson gets checked. Kane gets the loose puck. Shoots quickly. Stoned by Varlamov. He crushes Lindholm and Rigitto with the puck. Quick shot. Leg save by Varlamov.
Pure poetry in the crease.
Advances the puck. Quick pass up. Colorado wins the race and beats out the icing call. Como takes it. Chicago puts its second line out. Barberio jumps on the loose puck. Short pass. Out over the blue line. Grimaldi. Ruta grabs the puck. Into the attacking zone. And Simov rips it. He jumps on the loose puck. Varlamov. Walker saves. Osterley gets the loose puck. Schmaltz. Duclair takes possession. Murphy shoots it quickly. Blocked. Schmaltz jumps on the loose puck. Duclair grabbed by Chicago. Rantanen pushes him. Wilson takes possession of the puck.
Last minute of play.
At center. In over the line. Varlamov stones him cold. Wrist shot. Lindholm stops the shot.
This year's Hockey Fights Cancer charity drive raised over $200,000, a new record. Thank you for your generosity.
After a close first period, we're ready to start the second.
Each team needs a good start to shake things up. Look for them both to make an early statement.
Over the line. Sephiroth picks it off. Keith got it. Taves. Chicago gets a hold of it.
Line 2! Line 1!
Soderberg. Colorado gobbles it up. Ensimo pushes Como. Shoots the puck. Sephiroth gets it. Jabrinka. He picks it up. And out they come with a puck. Jabrinka with a wrist shot. Ensimo gets muscled off the puck. Colorado takes control. Into the attacking zone. McKinnon with a breakaway. Crawford freezes the puck. The action's about to start. Murphy brings it in. Duclair. Carefoot takes control of the puck. At center. Murphy finds the loose puck. He gets checked. He takes control of the puck. Boma. Duclair got it. Colorado in control now. Varlamov intercepts the pass. Wilson gets pushed. Wrist shot. Varlamov stones him. Johnson gets the loose puck. Varlamov gets a leg on it.
He uses the pads and makes the save.
Moved across. Seabrook grabs the puck. Colorado needs to be making a line change soon. Over the line. Backhand. Varlamov. Great save.
That one was not getting past.
Advances the puck. Working along the perimeter. Carefoot gets shoved. He's with the puck. Barry. Chicago with it now. Kane. With a wrist shot. Varlamov gets a pad on it. Ruda.
Line 2!
Osterley gets hold of the puck. Ruda corrals it. Patrick Kane. Heinz throws up. Now with it. He got it. Varlamov shut the door. Jabinka jumps on the loose puck. Ruta rips the shot. Leg save.
Couldn't fool him on that one.
Ansimov with the puck. Barry rocks Jabinka. And out they come with a puck. Rantanen.
Look out now, it's about to get ugly.
was an even fight, no doubt.
Well, they both had their moments, but it ends up in a draw.
About to drop the puck. The face-off goes to Colorado. Blocked. Quick pass up. Moved ahead. Over the blue line. Duclair shoots it. Varlamov stoned him. Advances the puck. Passed ahead. Played back. Colorado puts its third line out. And Ricchito gets the loose puck. Schmaltz out over the blue line. Into the attacking zone. Wilson gets hold of the puck. Duclair fires off the post. Advances the puck. Ahead to the neutral zone. Centered. Heavy shot. Crawford gets a leg on it.
He used the pads to make the save.
Schmaltz.
In the second period.
The Blackhawks dump the puck in. Berry has it. Grimaldi.
And that's the end of the second period. 2 down, 1 to go.
It's going to be viewed and bid on at a display beside guest services.
We're just about to start the third period.
Jim, in a game this close, you probably won't see either team take too many chances.
Passed across. Como scoops up the loose puck. And Ricchito, Sedorov has it now. Out over the blue line. Passed ahead. Over the line. Played back. Advances the puck. Wrist shot. Varlamov. Great save.
Great reaction time.
Leg save by Varlamov.
That was off the pads.
Varlamov freezes the puck. Soderberg has an impressive shot.
That's something you don't want to get in front of, that's for sure.
Played across. And Simon knocked him off the puck. Rantanen gets it. In over the line. Along the boards. Play scores! How often do you see goals like that?
Not nearly enough, Jim. Not nearly enough. He stepped into that shot big time and put it past the goalie.
The one-timer is hockey's quick strike, and he hammered that one home. Taves won the face-off over the blue line.
Assisted by
Passed ahead. Advances the puck. Taves gets laid out. Carefoot gets the loose puck. Patrick Kane. Lindholm grabbed it. Carefoot has it now. Jost gets a hold of it. Jabinka gets the shot off. Varlamov hangs on for the whistle.
Scouts from around the league will be participating.
They're getting ready for the face-off.
And lots more fun.
Goma jumps on the loose puck. Backhands it. Landeskog gets in the way. He takes possession of the puck. Murphy stops the shot. Landeskog. McKinnon takes possession of the puck. Schmaltz. That's icing. We're ready for the face-off. Ruda. Soderberg nails him. Sedorov. Crawford stabs at it.
Great save with the glove hand.
Offside, Colorado. The puck is about to be dropped. Taves wins the draw. Wilson shoots it quickly. Saved by Crawford. Yakupov shoots the puck. Saad hits it up. And out they come with the puck. Moved ahead. Yakupov shoves Kane. Seabrook grabs the puck. Seabrook gets hammered. Wilson finds the loose puck. Duncan Keith. And Simon. Into the attacking zone. With a wrist shot. Blocked. Sedorov with the puck. Jabinka. He misses by a mile. Colorado puts its scoring line out. Moved up. Heinz Rosa gets hold of the puck. Ansimov. He dumps it in on the end boards. Ansimov takes possession. Great save!
He keeps that one out of the net.
Varlamov freezes the puck. Some great anticipation on that shot.
Jim, it's like he knew the puck carrier was going to pass it off.
The players are lined up and ready for the faceoff. Johnson takes control of the puck. Jost. He gets laid out.
He picked him right off the play.
Carefoot grabs the puck. Shoots quickly. Blocked. Murphy with the puck. Out over the blue line. Passed ahead. This shot. Stone cold by Varlamov. Jost. Jost takes possession of the puck. Blocked. Lindholm grabs the puck.
Line 2.
Backhand shot. Blocked. Moved ahead. And Ricketto with a chance to score. Crawford stoned him cold. Soderberg gets the loose puck. In over the line. He gets pushed off the puck. Chicago picked it up. Ahead to the neutral zone. Crawford is leaving the net.
Jim, they need numbers now. They need
Saad scores! Goes to where the puck is. He did and got rebound material. Chicago comes through with the tying goal.
I gotta admit, Jim, I thought this one was over.
Forsling takes possession of the puck. Johnson touches up for icing.
With just seconds on the clock, these teams know that there's only one chance left.
And they both want to be the ones to take it. Ruta coughs it up. Osterley corrals it. Ansimov has it. Ansimov gets checked. Advances the puck. Soderberg jumps on the loose puck. Quick shot. Heimstroza gets in the way. Como. With a wrist shot, leg save.
He gets the pad in the way and makes the stop.
Passed ahead. Off the post.
Now the game turns to strategy. In overtime, both teams will pace themselves and try to avoid a defensive breakdown.
Regulation ended in a tie, so we're headed to overtime.
Time for the go-to guys to get to it.
Passed across. Centers it. Swing. Rantanen intercepts the pass. McKinnon with the puck. Barry took it. Crawford hangs on for the whistle. They're getting ready for the faceoff. Boma has reached his boiling point and he's ready to go.
He held his own earlier in the game. The jury's still out if he can win this one. Was a standoff. No winner in that one.
The ref is signaling for the faceoff. The faceoff goes to Colorado. Sephiroth takes control of the puck. Lindholm, Soderberg, Chicago scoops it up. Soderberg, Chicago, finds it. Como gets dropped. This shot denied by Varlamov.
This man is equally at ease making saves with his gloves or his pads.
And Ricketto advances the puck. Duncan Keith takes possession of the puck. Yakupov pushes Schmaltz. Schmaltz finds the loose puck. behind his net. Moved ahead. Gets the shot off. Crawford stoned him. Yakupov sent flying. Passed ahead. Crawford gets a leg on it. Pad save. Chicago puts its scoring line up. Schmaltz gets hold of the puck. Shoots quickly. Crawford gets a pad on it.
When you combine superior anticipation with reactions like that, you'll make the save 9 out of 10 times.
Crawford denied him with a wrist shot. Crawford hangs on for the whistle. He came up big on that wrist shot.
That was a great attempt, but he stopped him cold.
The players are lining up at the face-off circle. McKinnon wins the draw. Crawford freezes the puck. The ref is ready to drop the puck. Johnson with it now. Carefoot gets checked. Heinstroza scoops up the loose puck. Berry holds up Jabinka. Berry jumps on the loose puck. And Simon. Quick shot from the right. Grimaldi. Quick pass up. We're inside the 2-minute mark.
And neither side has managed to find a weakness.
The Avalanche dumped the puck in. Chicago got it. Osterley scooped up by Colorado. Kleinerskog wrist shot. Crawford made the pad save. Osterley takes control of the puck. Carefoot fires it hard. Crawford stoned him cold. Jabinka with the puck brings it out. Moved across. And Simon with a wrist shot. Varlamov closed the door. Moved up. Played up. Moved ahead. Brings it in. Wrist shot. Varlamov gets a leg on it. Pass back. Zepnarov picks up the puck from Varlamov. Zepnarov fired it hard. He takes it. Crawford gets a leg on it.
Pad save, nicely done.
Out over the blue line. Schmaltz gets checked. Lindholm stops the shot. Advances the puck. Schmaltz finds the loose puck. Duclair shoots it quickly. And Ricchito. Chicago takes over. Schmaltz fires. Scores! And that's the end. Chicago gets the overtime victory.
A tremendous effort from their blue line. Without the defense, hey, they don't get the win. What a sweet wrist shot right there. He just picked his spot and snapped it home.
From Chicago, Illinois, we'd like to thank you for watching. This is Jim Houston with Craig Simpson.
Bye for now.